Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to manage your meta box option. For example, this is a header and this is a footer. For manage your specific page header and footer, you first manage your meta box option. Here is header option. Just click header option. First you need to edit page. Click edit page. After click edit page, and you see scroll down and you see header option. Click header option. You see this enable header. Just click here and enable your header. For this page, if you want to select your specific header, just go click here and update. After updating, you see and reload. You see, change this, and then header select header style header 4. Enable header menus. If you need to select header menu, click here and select logo. If you want to custom page logo, select here and upload here. Or if you don't need this, if you use global header option, just disable this. And then layout option. If you specific layout option, use a specific layout option for this page, just change there and slide bar and enable pagination or disable and edit and update and banner and front cap area. If you want to specific use a banner and front cap area, just enable or disable and select color and image, banner title color, banner text color, banner link color, and update. And finally, footer setting. Want to use a specific footer for a specific page, just enable and select your footer and update. After updating, reload. Now you see there is change the footer style. I hope you all are understand. Thank you. If you need any question or any problem, solve the problem, just